Hi everyone, Sean here from Wild Web Marketing and Big Hook Hosting. Real quick, I just wanted to share my new automated price checking tool that I think will save you a lot of time if you are selling on eBay. This new program has been a godsend for me. When I first started selling on eBay, I was taking pictures, I was crafting titles, writing descriptions, and then I had to look up each individual item on eBay to figure out an average completed selling price. So as you know, if you are already selling on eBay, it takes way too long to do all this manually if you want to make any serious money on eBay. So I developed a program that will automatically go on eBay, it will search for your product, and it will get an average selling price for over the last 90 days. So now I can list hundreds of items a day without breaking a sweat. All I really do now is take pictures and write titles. I outsource the description writing to people on Fiverr, and my prices are determined with my new eBay price checker tool. Um, so let's take a look. When you click on the eBay price checker for the first time, it's going to install some necessary support files. For the purpose of this video, I have already completed this step. Let's move this over. Now the first step is your keywords file, which is just going to be a text file with your products on individual lines, which I have 3 sample products here that we'll use in this demonstration. So let's load that. Sample items. Your search type will be whatever your products are, if they're new or used. I usually separate my products by new or used in my text files. In this we will be doing new items. Your save results file. Once the program searches and gathers all the data, it's going to save it into a CSV file so you can open it up in Excel and work with that data. Makes it pretty easy. As you can see, everything's pretty straightforward and simple here. So I'll choose the file that I've already created for this purpose, replace it. If it's not already created, it will create the file for you, and we will hit start. In the first step, it's got a status error. It's loading our keywords into the program that it needs to search for, and it will begin searching them one by one. So we'll wait for this to complete. Okay, once status says done, we click save to save it into our file, and it says it's saved. So now let's open up the CSV file it created. We'll expand these. Okay, so in the first column I have it just resave the titles for the products that we searched for. Column B is your average completed selling price, and I think it's for the last 90 days. So it gives you a pretty good idea of what your selling price should be. It's not going to be the highest price. It's not going to be the lowest price. It's going to be the average of all of them over the last 90 days that actually sold. Column C is actually the percentage sold. So it's going to give you a pretty good idea of how well your item is selling. It says over the last 90 days for the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge that 49% of all listings actually sold. So it'll give you a good idea of, is it really worth pursuing that item? If it's 13% selling, a lot of them, either people are overpricing it and they're not selling, or it's just not selling that well anymore. Like the Samsung Chromebook here is 72% of all the listings have sold, so it's getting some good attention on eBay. Okay, and then on D, column D here, is the current average selling price. So it averages all the listings currently that are selling, and it averages them out for you. Okay, well, there you have it. I mean, eBay completed and current listing prices with the click of a button.